you?
Thanks, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good.
Oh, you're seeing Penny this
Yes.
morning, aren't you?
Yes.
Okay, let me have a look for you. Oh, she's ready for you now, actually.
Okay,
I'll take you through.
Okay.
Penny, I have Ruth for you.
Oh, lovely. Hello.
Hi.
Are you alright?
Yeah, good. How are you?
Yeah, good, thank you.
Good.
Not bad at all.
Excellent.
So how is it since the art visit?
Not bad, not bad. I've had a few pains still on my neck. It feels very tight. I had a bit of a crook neck. Crooked neck.
Yeah, the right side here is a bit tight.
Yeah, it does feel a bit tight.
That's brilliant that you've not been having as many headaches.
Yeah, it's really good. I didn't realise how much I was having them until they stopped.
Yeah. You kind of get used to it, don't you?
You do, you think that's your lot and then you live with it.
Yeah. No, it's really good.
Yeah, I'm really pleased.
Right, take a nice deep breath in here and relax it out. And again here. It's lovely movement in there.
Good.
Right. How's the wall angel going as well? Is that going all right?
Yes, I have been practicing it, but yeah, it's quite hard when you first start doing it, isn't it?
Good. Right, now to your back. So yeah, get the massage booked in.
Yeah,
as soon as you
I loved
can.
it.
And then I'll see you next week.
Okay, fantastic. Thank you, Penny.